Have you ever wondered why it's so hard to lose weight, especially during the festive season? Well, you're not alone. As the holiday cheer spreads, so does the temptation to indulge in those extra slices of pie, creamy hot cocoa, and all the delightful treats that make the season so special. But here's the good news: shedding those pesky pounds doesn't have to be a monumental task. In fact, we're about to explore a few effortless habits that can help you boost your health and energy and promote sustainable weight loss. And no, we're not talking about any rigorous diets or grueling exercise routines. We're focusing on simple, practical tips that you can seamlessly integrate into your daily life. So, grab your water bottle, let's dive straight into the first tip. Because remember, every journey begins with a single step, and this could be the first step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. The first thing we need to address is your plate. It's a common battleground where we often grapple with the question, how much is too much? It's time to change our perspective and start seeing our plate as a tool for achieving a healthier lifestyle. Let's talk about portion control. It sounds restrictive, but it's anything but. It's about understanding how much your body truly needs and adjusting your intake accordingly. It's not about denying yourself your favorite foods, but rather enjoying them in moderate, balanced amounts. Now here's a little trick that can make a big difference: downsizing your plates. Yes, you heard it right. The size of your plate can have a huge impact on your consumption. It's a psychological phenomenon, really. A smaller plate filled with food gives the illusion of plenty, making us feel satisfied with less. Conversely, a large plate with the same amount of food can seem sparse, leading us to eat more than we need. But don't just take my word for it. Numerous studies have shown that people tend to serve and consume more food when given larger plates and bowls. It's a subtle trick our brain plays on us, but one we can use to our advantage. So try swapping your dinner plate for a salad plate or your cereal bowl for a teacup. Make your plate work for you, not against you, in your journey towards better health. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about moderation. It's about enjoying your food, savoring each bite, and feeling satisfied, not stuffed. It's about making conscious choices that honor your body and its needs. Smaller portions can also help you enjoy a wider variety of foods. Instead of filling up on one or two dishes, you can sample a little bit of everything. It's like a culinary adventure on a plate. So, the next time you sit down to eat, take a moment to consider your portion. Is it appropriate for your hunger level? Could you be satisfied with less? Challenge yourself to try a smaller plate or bowl and see how it feels. With this simple change, you'll be surprised how quickly the pounds start to drop. Our next tip involves your best friend for weight loss: water. Yes, the humble H2O. It's not just a thirst quencher, it's a secret weapon in your weight loss arsenal. So why exactly is water so wonderful for weight loss? First off, water is a natural appetite suppressant. When your stomach senses it's full, it sends signals to your brain to stop eating. Water takes up space in the stomach, leading to a feeling of fullness and reducing hunger. A glass of water before meals can help control appetite and portion sizes. It's like a preemptive strike against overeating. Next, water aids in the removal of toxins. Your body is like a well-oiled machine, and water is the oil that keeps everything running smoothly. It helps flush out waste and toxins that can build up and slow down your metabolism. And a faster metabolism means more calories burned, even at rest. Now let's talk about how water can give your metabolism a boost. Do you want your body to burn calories faster? Of course you do. Here's the good news. A study showed that drinking half a liter of water can increase metabolism by up to 30% for about an hour. This metabolic bump could help you burn an extra 17,000 calories per year. That's a potential weight loss of around 5 pounds just from drinking water. So how can you incorporate more water into your daily routine? Start by swapping out one sugary drink each day for a glass of water. Carry a reusable water bottle with you everywhere you go. Add slices of fruits or herbs like mint or basil for a refreshing twist. If you're a tea or coffee drinker, try swapping out a few cups for herbal tea or even just hot water with lemon. Remember, staying hydrated doesn't just aid in weight loss, it's vital for overall health too. It helps maintain healthy skin, aids in digestion, and keeps your energy levels up. So remember, when in doubt, drink up. Your body and your waistline will thank you. Now let's talk about movement. You know, that thing we often forget to do when life gets busy or Netflix releases a new season of our favorite show. But here's the thing, moving your body is an essential part of the weight loss equation, and it's way more than just burning calories. Think about it. When you move, you're not just working your muscles, you're also improving your heart health, boosting your mood, enhancing your energy levels, and even promoting better sleep. All these benefits contribute to a healthier you, and a healthier you is more likely to make better eating choices, manage stress more effectively, and generally maintain a positive outlook on life. But before you start picturing long, monotonous hours on the treadmill, let's set one thing straight. Exercise should be enjoyable, not a chore. The key here is to find an activity you genuinely love. Maybe it's dancing to your favorite tunes, hiking in the great outdoors, or even playing a game of soccer with friends. It could be yoga in your living room, a martial arts class, or simply a brisk walk around your neighborhood. The options are endless, and the best part is that they don't have to take up a lot of time. Even short bursts of movement throughout the day can add up and make a significant difference. Try taking the stairs instead of the elevator, parking a bit further away from the store entrance, or even doing a quick workout during your lunch break. Remember, consistency is key. It's better to do a little bit every day than to push yourself to the limit once a week. So, find an activity you love, schedule it into your daily routine, and stick with it. Treat it as an appointment with yourself that you can't cancel. And one last thing, don't be too hard on yourself. If you miss a day, it's not the end of the world. Just get back on track as soon as you can. After all, your goal is to create a sustainable habit, not a one-time event. Find what you love to do and make it a daily habit. Here's a tip you might not have expected. Sleep. Yes, we're talking about that blissful, dream-filled state where you're not even thinking about food, let alone eating it. But how does sleep fit into our weight loss journey? Well, it plays a more significant role than you may think. When our bodies are deprived of sleep, they produce more stress hormones, which can lead to an increase in appetite and cravings. Ever found yourself reaching for a midnight snack or craving comfort food after a poor night's sleep? That's your body's response to sleep deprivation. Moreover, a good night's sleep helps keep your metabolism running efficiently. Metabolism, as you might know, is the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. An efficient metabolism means your body is burning calories even while at rest, aiding in weight management. So aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to keep your metabolism on track. Our final tip for today is about mindful eating. So, what exactly is mindful eating? It's about being fully engaged in the experience of eating, savoring each bite, and paying attention to signals from your body when it is satisfied. It's about noticing, without judgment, the colors, smells, flavors, and textures of your food. Now let's talk about true hunger versus emotional eating. True hunger is a physical sensation that signals your body needs fuel. On the other hand, emotional eating is driven by feelings such as stress, boredom, or sadness. Before reaching for a snack, pause and assess whether it's true hunger or an emotional response. If you're truly hungry, go for nutrient-rich snacks like fruits, veggies, or nuts, rather than reaching for empty calories. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about making healthier choices. By being more mindful, you can avoid unnecessary snacking and stay on track with your weight loss goals. And there you have it. Simple, sustainable tips to help you lose weight. We've covered everything from portion control with our portion perfection strategy to the hydration hack, H2O yeah. We've discussed how to move it or lose it with enjoyable exercise and how sleeping tight can help you slim right. And let's not forget our final tip, mindful munching, which reminds us to eat with intention and awareness. These strategies aren't just about losing weight. They're about creating a healthier, more energized you. The journey towards health and vitality isn't always easy, but it's worth it. It's important to remember that consistency is key. The small choices you make each day add up to big results over time. So be patient with yourself. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Before you go, we have one last thing to ask. Let's create a community of health enthusiasts right here. Share your own weight loss tips in the comments below. We would love to hear what has worked for you. And if you found this video helpful, show us some love with a like. For more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy lifestyle hacks. Happy holidays, everyone!